This is my 75 MGB. It's very mildly hot rodded, but not really. It's mostly a street engine. It's got a tiny bit more compression and a tiny bit better cam. And I put a full closed loop EFI system on it. So it runs really good, but it's not a race car. I got a chance to drive on a track as a tour, just driving around the track to see, what it's like to be on a track. It was never meant to be fast. We don't have, roll bar and all that stuff. So just cruising around, but they did let us drive faster than I expected. So I put a little clip on here. Sorry about the shakiness. I'm holding my camera, and at least you can hear it run. Point where we're actually having trouble keeping up.
Yeah. That's what I was afraid of, because I didn't know what people would be doing here.
I didn't know either. It was the first time I ever drove this hard.
That's
and I've done this thing this kind of thing three or four times.
Wow. Well, it's good. It's nice you get to test the limits of your car, and you know your car so well, I'm impressed.
What a little English car can do.
Yeah. Okay. That was fun.
Wouldn't that be wonderful? Thank you.
Wow. Wow, it's a female driver of the base car.
That car's got power though.
Oh, I bet. How cool.
Well, that's kind of special.
Yeah.
I enjoyed that a lot. I can't believe I got to drive my car that hard.
Yeah. I mean, practically racing is for this car. That's racing.
Yeah, no, that was a lot for this car. But the car did well.
It did very well.
And I'm telling you, that would load it up in the corners there.
Oh yeah.